This home is the one. Invite your guests over. Ample entertaining space in your large open floor plan. Home living room features cathedral ceilings and gas fireplace. The oversized kitchen west/nook will make entertaining prep a breeze. The primary bedroom is featured on the first floor with double closets and ensuite. All the comforts of home on the first floor with 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. The condo association will manicure your front yard and take care of the exterior. So what is left for you? You get to enjoy the beautiful Eagle Harbor community. Great amenities including clubhouse, stock lake, swim club west/water park, garden, golf and more.